Hey, Tristan here. Today we're going to go over one way that you could sell extended warranties on repairs and RepairDesk. We'll start by hovering over these 9 dots in the top right and then selecting Store Settings. On the left, we'll scroll down to Sales and then Suggestive Sale Alerts. You want to make sure that this feature is enabled for this to work. On the top left, we'll hover over Inventory, Products, and let's add a new product. This is us adding the extended warranty product to RepairDesk. Let's call this Cell Phone Repair Extended Warranty. I've added a category for warranties. You may want to do something similar. Let's give it a SKU. And let's say that warranty duration should be 180 days. Suggestive Sales Alerts does require an on-hand quantity to work. So let's give this warranty, say, an on-hand quantity of 200. And let's set the retail price to $25 and select Save. Let's apply it to our other stores. Now, on the top left, if we click Manage Products, we can see that the warranty item has been added. We'll want to select these 3 dots on the right to open up an action menu, and we'll select Marked for Suggestive Sales Alert. Now let's see what this looks like in action. From the point of sale module, we'll open up a ticket. Here, I've got an iPhone 14 that we did a battery replacement on. We'll select Checkout. And just like that, the suggestive sale alert is there. We see a cell phone repair extended warranty that can be added to the cart and the price is reflected. We'll continue to check out, pay for the ticket, and the warranty has been applied. Now let's take a look at what this looks like if the customer wants to come back and file a claim. From the point of sale module, we'll select Warranty Claim. We'll find the customer, and we'll find that extended warranty product. We can see that it is active, we can see the expiration date, and if we need to see which device it's applicable towards, we can select the invoice ID and then select the ticket ID. And now we can see what device that warranty was applied to. And that is how you could sell extended warranties on repairs and RepairDesk.